Well, the cleanup is coming along pretty quickly, but the fallout from Sunday morning's tornado could be with us a while.
Yeah, as businesses and homeowners rebuild, they're going to see some much calmer weather, so that's the good news during this cleanup. The Fox 23 Severe Weather Team is out tonight tracking the damage and the cleanup. We start, though, this half hour here in the Fox 23 Severe Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist James Adelot.
We'll take a look at just how uncommon it is for us to have a tornado in August. We only had 16 tornadoes in August in Green Country since 1950, and we've only had 2 in Tulsa County in August. Those were back in the 1950s, 55 and 58. And then Sunday morning at 1:19, we had the 3rd August tornado in Green Country. Now, the cleanup continues, especially along 41st Street, the hardest hit area. Let's check in with Fox 23 meteorologist Brad Carl. And Brad, you were working this from start to finish as this tornado came into town. So it's, I'm sure, really good for you to see how things have started to clean up a bit.
Yeah, those I will say, seeing things on radar doesn't quite do justice for actually seeing it in person. This is actually the first time I've been out to the damage here in areas right around 41st and Husson. I'm in front of right now the TGI Fridays, or better describe what's left of it. Almost eerie in a way, just how, you know, basically 48 hours ago this was packed with people at one point, and now obviously you can just see just how much damage there was here. We've seen video of just how extensive that was from people who were inside, and how terrifying that must have been for them as those very strong winds from the tornado came in and basically ripped this place apart while people were still inside. A lot of broken glass here. It's amazing we didn't have more serious injuries from what we saw here. Now, as you walk a little closer to the actual entrance here, you notice the glass windows completely blown out, and many of those who are the rest that are left here are certainly shattered. And then walking a little bit farther, I don't want to go too much farther since there is still a lot of broken glass on the ground here, but you notice those the paint, the orange spray paint there, in addition to the no trespassing sign by the fire marshal, as this building, among many others in this area, has been condemned. In fact, just up the road here, which we actually can't get past due to the police barricade and the heavy police presence here, we have the Chipotle, Starbucks, and the Whataburger have all been condemned as well. Doesn't necessarily mean they'll have to rip those structures down, but it means that they'll have to do extensive repairs and get that inspected by the city before they're allowed to safely reopen again. So certainly a lot of damage, a lot of cleanup still going on here, and a very heavy police presence, as no one from the public is being allowed in due to just how much damage there is here, and of course trying to prevent that looting as well. Now, Chief Meteorologist James Adelot has a look at the calm weather ahead, at least for the short term, but also more chances for severe weather ahead as we get later on in the week.